Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to unlink Konami ID from eFootball. Okay, firstly launch the eFootball game on your platform, access the main menu. Once there, go to the main menu and navigate to the settings. So after that, go to the account settings, and within the settings menu, look for the account settings or account management option. This is where you can manage your linked accounts. In the account settings, there should be an option for Konami ID. Select this to view the details of your linked accounts. After that, you should see an option to unlink or disconnect the Konami ID from your eFootball accounts. This is the option. After that, a confirmation prompt will appear to ensure you want to unlink the accounts. Confirm by selecting yes or OK. After unlinking the Konami ID, it's a good idea to restart the game to ensure the changes take effect. And that's it, guys. You're welcome. If you like this video, press like on the video, subscribe. See you next time.